app.component.ts is the default component which we get when we install Angular. In this class, I'm going to show you how you can create your own component. So let's get to the commander here, and then let's open a new tab. I'm going to navigate this to my project folder, that is in desktop, in hello world. Okay, now here I have the server running, and in my next tab I have another command line where I can create my new component. In order to create the new component, all you have to do is type in ng generate component, and then you'll have to specify the component name. In this case, I'm just going to call this as new comp and hit enter. Okay, great. Now we have a new component generated. Now you can see that in my command line it specifies it has created around 4 files and it has updated 1. The 4 files it created is in src folder, app, new component, and inside that we have a new comp.component.html. That's over here. So if I open this up, you can see we have all the files, which it says I have new comp.component.css, new comp component.html, new comp component.spec.ts, and new comp.component.ts. But here it updated 1 file, that's under app module.ts, which is our root component. So let me close this, and if I open that file, now here you can see that it has added our new comp component. It says import new comp component from new comp.component. So I didn't even have to do it manually. Angular updated this by itself. This is one of the best things about Angular. Now if you can see much more further, in the ng module, you can see in the declarations, it has automatically declared the new comp component. Okay, let's close this. Now if I open the new comp, and inside this if I go to new comp.component.html, you can see we have a simple message which says new comp works. But how do I display this in my browser? You'll have to go to new comp.component.ts here, and you can see this is our component, and in here there is a selector. Selector is a custom tag built by Angular. So I'm just going to copy this. Let's close this. I can close this one too, and now I can go to my app.component.html here, and right below this I can open up a new tag and paste it. Now if I go to my browser, you can see we have new comp works. By default this comp will not show up anywhere, so you'll have to display it as a tag within any component, in this case app.component.html, which is our root component.